Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade carrot powder and carrot scrub for your skin. So stay tuned. To make this carrot powder, I'll start by peeling the carrot. When I'm done peeling the carrot, I'm going to use a grater to grate the carrot. When I'm done grating the carrot, I have laid a parchment paper, so I'm going to spread the carrot and allow it to dry. You can choose to use dehydrator, oven or sunlight, but I'm going to dry it with sunlight for about 3 or 4 days. After about 3 or 4 days, the grated carrot has dried. You can decide to store it in airtight container and blend whenever you want to use. I'm going to blend it into a fine powder. So I'm going to add the dried carrots into the blender and blend into a fine powder. When I'm done blending, I will set aside. You can repeat the same process until you're done blending all the dried carrots. I'm going to sieve to remove any chunks. Carrot powder contains beta carotene. You can add it to your smoothie or even use it to bake. You can also use it in your beauty remedy like soap, scrub, or oil. It will help to improve your skin condition and smoothen your skin. Finally, the carrot powder is ready. You can store this in airtight container and use whenever you want. To make the carrot scrub, I'll be making use of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains lactic acid which will help to moisturize, dissolve any dead skin cell. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of carrot powder. To make this carrot scrub, if you have acne prone skin, skip adding yogurt. Rosewater is so good because it will help to balance the skin pH. It will reduce redness, control excess oil production. It is also a great cleanser which will help to cleanse the skin, to remove any dirty or excess oil that clog the pores. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of rosewater. You can use this carrot scrub to scrub your face, neck or hand and leave it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. This carrot scrub will help to brighten your skin and make your skin to glow. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.